Hello and welcome to Michelle's Life on Repeat. I have a box to open. And yes, I still am coughing and I still sound like a walrus. Bear with me. But this box is a big one. It's from Palmer Orchids. So you know there's got to be a Vanda in there. And you know what? Mama, we got your Vanda. We got your Vanda in this box. So I am going to create a little hanging rack display thing for my mama because she babysat my orchids while I went on vacation. And you know what? She did not want to give them back, especially all of the Vandas that were on mounts. So it's time to start your own collection, Mama. She loves to spray them with water and give them some love. He grows them. She says, here, you babysit them until they flower again, then give them back to me. So that's what we're going to do, Mama. We're going to create you a wall of wonder. Let's open up this box. How are you doing, everybody? Hopefully, you're doing well. I feel great. I sound horrible, but I feel great. I have to wear my glasses in this room, so bear with me. I'm not trying to be Elton John or anything. A Orchid Vanda number 1. Is this yours, Mama? Is this yours? We shall see. She has blooms. You know Mama's going to be seeing this video, rushing over here, and she's going to be like, give me my baby, give me my baby. This one is called... You are a W-A-N, Bella. I'll show you that on the screen. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You gotta see these. Oh, you will see them. Beautiful. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think, flowers I counted. Magnificent. Vanda Urewan Bella from Palmer Orchids. Let's hang this one up and then move on to the next. Like a party in here, it's like a number 2. It's a little bit shorter, and she's not in bloom. Vanda Tie Spots. I think, Mama, this one may be the one that you wanted that was a mustard yellow with spots. We'll look it up, and I'll show you what the picture should look like. Look at that growing tip. She's got it going on. She's got right down here a nice shiny golden green tip going on. So she is fully blooming size, but she is not in spike. I don't see any. I see right down here, there's a spot down here, Mama, that she has bloomed last year or the year before. I don't see any new ones starting yet. So you get to love her up, Mama. Vanda Tie Spots is her name. This was the one I said was my Christmas present one. I asked for the big one. The big one. I said, oh, I could get the average size one, but I want the big one. I want the big one. So we got the big one. And my room is officially a jungle. Look at her. She is so many roots. This is going to be so fun. All those roots. Her name, and I'll put a picture of her up, what she will look like, because she's not in spike. This one is Fuchs Harvest Moon. Very, very healthy green. Lots of lovely roots. Let's see where she flowered from last. Ooh, ooh, she's got a spike growing. She's got a spike growing in there. Coming. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm excited. Thank you, Palmer Orchids, for some beautiful Vanda orchids. Thank you for joining me for this unboxing. I wish you wellness. I wish you peace. And until we talk again, bye-bye.